Let's talk with Teacher May. Today's expression is, I'd rather stay at home. Again, I'd rather stay at home. Let's practice. Repeat after me. I'd rather stay at home. You use I'd rather when you would like to do or prefer one thing more than the other. For example, I'd rather watch a movie than read a book. I'd rather take the bus. I'd rather sleep early. Notice that you use a verb after I'd rather, the base form of the verb. I'd rather watch. I'd rather take. I'd rather sleep. In some cases, we use I'd rather with the past tense of the verb. For example, I'd rather you bought it today. We use the past tense when we talk about what we want the others to do. Like in that sentence, I want you to buy it today. So I say, I'd rather you bought it today. I'd rather you came next time. I'd rather you didn't do it. Again, let's practice. Repeat after me. I'd rather stay at home.